Hello everyone, welcome to first step in basic Python. In this topic is about data types and pin for sure data types and some detail in your data or variable. Let's get started. In Python, have five main data types and this table show about each data type in Python. 1. String. String will contain detail about letter, cause, or phrase. 2. Number. Number will contain numeric that include integer and float. 3. Dictionary. Dictionary will contain detail about key and value or key-value pair. 4. Set. Set can contain string and number. 5. Boolean. Boolean is like logic that is included in true and false. If you have to create data type, sometimes you need to have something for contain your data type or some detail that is variable. Variable in Python you can create from y name of variable equal some detail for your data. But Python has some keyword you must not use for create name for your variable, such as map, filter, range, push, pull, and so on. Okay, move to IDE for coding in data type. In this topic, I use VS Code you can download from link below. But in the first process, when I need to coding or write in Python, you need to create Python file. This file name data underscore types.py. Enter. Okay, we have file Python. Let's start insert data type. But before coding or create data type, sometimes I need to create variable for contain some detail in data type. First, I will create name x equal code hi world. Then enter y equal 10. Enter. Then set equal 20.212. Then d equal curly bracket double quotation. I will write n colon 50 and then h equal curly bracket quotation high and 40 and b equal 2. You can write in 4 or 2. Okay, we finish in create data type and variable for contain data. Then I will check data type of each variable. Enter y. Pin. That is show some detail or information in screen, and you need to write in parentheses. If you have to know variable that what is data type, you can write in parentheses. First, I will check egg. I will show egg. Copy. Then y. Z. D H B and run. Okay, wait a second. You see in this screen show about some information of your variable. Yes, if you need to know type of variable for showing the screen, you just write try parenthesis x and run again. Okay, in the screen show you a string, and if you need to know in all variable, you just write try in every variable. Okay, and run again. This screen will show you in X is string, Y is in, Z float, D dictionary, H set, and B Boolean. In this method for check data type is very useful in many work or projects of you in the future, such as for create application, make web application, or work about data, and so on. Okay, see you next video. Have a good day.